Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to create a seller account in Amazon. So it's pretty simple. So first go to your browser and type sell.amazon.in, and after typing this you can click enter to search on your web browser, and it's going to take you to this website. Now over here you can click on start selling, and after you click on start selling, if you already have an Amazon account you can enter the email and password, but if you don't then you can click on create your Amazon account and create an Amazon account. So I'm just going to enter my Amazon account's detail because I already have. After signing into your Amazon account, you can fill up this page where it says individual information. Now you can select country over here. Mine's Nepal, so I'm going to select Nepal. And country of birth, and enter your date of birth over here, and enter your passport number and its expiration date, and the country of issue where the passport was issued. And over here enter your address. So this is my address. So if you want to add a new address, you can click on add a new address as well. Now over here enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you can click on send call or send SMS to verify if it's your phone. You can click on whichever one you find comfortable. I'm going to click on send SMS and click on send SMS, and it's going to send me a pin in this number. Now I gotta wait for the pin. Enter the pin which you receive in your SMS and click on verify, and boom, after it's verified you can click on next. Now after clicking on next, it's going to take you to this page over here. Now over here you need to enter a credit card number and its expiration date and the card holder's number as well. After entering your credit card number and your card holder's name, it's going to take you to store, and on store it's going to ask you what type of store you have and the store name. And after verifying the store name and the type of goods your store is going to sell, it's going to take you to verification page to verify you, and once it verifies you, your Amazon store account will be created. So that's basically how you create an Amazon seller account.